TipTut.
Hello everybody and welcome back to TipTut and welcome back to the Big 100 project. It is finished. Wow, what a crazy ride this has been. You can see that it's a bit of a chaotic result, but I think that's actually really fantastic. In the end, we had 96 out of 100 blocks filled, and I had to reach out to some family members to finish off the last few blocks by myself and with their help. So thanks to them, but really the biggest thanks goes to all you guys that actually managed to submit before the deadline and with some really great artwork. If you head over to thebig100project.co.uk, you can see the project in its entirety, and I've recently added some new functionality to the website to help you guys see the original image. There's an eraser icon which will take all of the blocks and turn them back into their original JPEGs so you can see what the original piece of artwork looks like. And if you do click on the full screen option, then you'll see the original piece of artwork like so in full. If you then click the paint roller, it'll fill all those blocks back in so you can have a look at the comparison between the two. And again, that's respected when you click on that full screen icon. There's been some really great submissions. I especially love this little beach scene here. I really love this pop art style one, but there's been some really great stuff. Big thanks to everybody that's contributed. And the only thing really left to say, apart from thank you, is to talk about the prizes. So I said at the beginning there's going to be 2 t-shirts and 10 prints. Now that still is going to be the case. I've just got to figure out the best way to do it because some of these blocks have had multiple entries to them. Okay, so some people doubled up on blocks because we got over more than 100 people sign up. But then unfortunately what happened was some of the blocks got 2 submissions. So I tried to respect that by showing both. I think one of these down here, block 100 for example, has 2 submissions. Now it would be unfair if on the prints and the t-shirts that Lewis Beden's artwork wasn't shown but Harley Knife's was. So I've got to figure out how I'm going to do that. Maybe I'll split the block down the middle and show bottom half, but again that might just look a little bit strange. So bear with me, and if it doesn't end up happening for that reason, let me know if that's going to bug anybody who does have a double entry in the comments. But I'll figure something out and then we'll talk about getting those prizes out pretty soon. Really cool though, really much bigger, more crazy project than I expected it to be. And I'm so proud that we managed to get just so close. I'm a bit disappointed we didn't manage to get all the blocks before the deadline, but that's okay because we filled them out in the end anyway. So thanks very much everybody, I really appreciate it. This has been crazy, and I may consider doing sort of smaller versions of these in the future as well. Maybe not 100, maybe 25 or 50. Maybe we'll have a competition to submit the original piece of line work, and then other people can fill out other people's art. That might be really cool. We'll see. If you have any ideas for that sort of thing, pop them in the comments below and I'll make sure to give them a read, and maybe we'll do another one sort of early next year or whenever you guys feel like doing it. So once again, thank you very much, and here's a quick overview. The original piece of artwork, crazy, and the finished piece, absolutely chaotic. Fantastic. Thank you so much everybody, and I'll see you all next time on TipTut.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.